So daughter had a little fender bender with Nissan. So what we're going to go for is the bumper, the grille, the two side lights, and I think that'll get her looking pretty again. I think the AC compressor or condenser might have took a hit. I'm not going to worry about that till later. The way I feel about AC is I didn't have AC in a vehicle until I was an adult. So I think my kids should have to suffer too. The agreement I have with my kids is I'll keep their vehicles on the road, but all the comfort issues like radios, AC, and stuff like that, they're on their own with. But, you know, if you have daughters, all they got to do is say, Dad, and then next thing you know, you're out there replacing stuff in the middle of the rain. So, yeah, who knows? In order to take the bumper off, there's some bolts here. I'll take the whole mount off. Right here's the mount outside, and I think if I take this off, I should be able to reach around there, get out. I'm gonna try not to take the mount off because I want to save its position, although that looks like it took a hit, so I might have to pull that out. Alright, to get this turn signal valance out, I guess you say, there's a screw here, and this screw here is holding it in. So, it's a long screw. I don't know what it's made out of. It's not very magnetic. Nope. Alright. Undo the plug. In order to straighten this bumper out, I needed my bumper mount adjustment tool. The latest in redneck engineering. I use the come along to pull the support straight. I lost my patience and brought the big guns out. It's not on there too straight, but straight enough. See, it's pushed in a little on this side than it is on that side, but yeah, it is what it is. Now I just have to transfer over the clips. And to install it, you just, hopefully you just push it in. Ta-da! One thing I missed on the bumper on is, I'm not sure if these mounts are for the grill or not, but that one's mashed down. It would have took me 2 seconds to pry it out while I had the bumper off, but now that I missed that opportunity, it's going to take a little finagling. Good enough. I was able to grab it with a pair of pliers and just pull. Take these side lights out before I put the grill on. And I'm missing a screw, but that's no biggie. There's a screw in the bottom. That ain't going back in. Need a little massage that out a little bit. Lens tool. Good and plenty. Let's get the grill and see how that fits. The good thing about this is it's got clips already included in it. But looking at my bumpers, it's bent. There's going to be some finagling to get 3 tabs of the grill into these clips. We'll figure it out. I think they go in after the... We'll try that. I chose not to use the provided clips and went with the good old blind nut and screw. So these side markers, I bought these on Amazon. They come all ready to clip in. I wonder if there's a bulb in there. That would suck if they didn't give me a bulb. Ah, they do. All right. Now just to check all the lights, make sure they're functioning. And they are. Just noticed that's missing. We'll have to see if we can find another one. Alright, so if you got some time to kill, check out my podcast, 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast. Podcast for the off-road short attention span. There'll be a card for it up here. And if that didn't put you to sleep, or if that don't put you to sleep, check out one of my other fine videos. If you want to, this one's a good one. That one, you're not going to like it, but click on it anyhow, because I'm trying to quit my job and do this crap full time. Alright, and as always, thanks for watching.